There's some pretty wild things in here. I didn't know what I was getting myself into when they were sending me a package, but this right here is my favorite thing. We've got some cool packages in today. I've got no idea what's in them, so it's time to find out. About to unbox them, see what's going on, and show you guys what exactly we've got. Comment down below if there is a tool brand that you want to see more from. If there's something that you like or something that you want to see, go ahead, leave it down in the description. So this first box is from VEVOR. They do all kinds of stuff on Amazon, and they've sent me a couple packages, so I'm not sure which one this is here, but we're about to find out, so let's do it. You know, it is incredibly awkward to cut with your left hand. I'm now realizing that, so things you don't think about. Ooh. This here is a wire stripper. I've got two coming in. One is a manual, one is an automatic, and this looks to be the manual here, and so we're not about to test it out. I'm just gonna let you guys see it. We will do a testing video, and honestly, I wanna do a giveaway for the automatic wire stripper. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. And then as far as this goes, it looks like you just attach this here, the screw, boom, here it goes on. You can mount it to a desk, so this is hanging off, and then you can just crank it. This adjusts, it's got the nut up top, looks pretty solid. We'll have to test it out here in a little bit. I don't even know who this is from, so I'm pretty pumped. I mean, like, I could not tell you what this was to save my life. I know it says American Electrician on it, so it's not a personal package. I don't know. We've got some LED sensor lighting here. We'll do a video on this too. Check it out, see what all is on it. It looks like there's a remote timer, all kinds of stuff. It looks like they're rechargeable. So I've seen these, never used them. We'll give them a shot. Next up, this is another one from VEVOR. I don't know how to pronounce names, and it is an issue. It becomes such a large issue all the time. Let's see. More boxing. This is a power generator. So, power generator here. I have not looked into this one at all. I mean, I legitimately have no idea, but they sent it to me. So we're about to check it out here before too long and see what's up. It looks pretty sweet. Looks like a battery, but I don't know. We'll find out how quality it is very soon. And finally, these have been opened, but they are so cool. And I haven't gotten the time to do a video on them yet, and I gotta show you guys. These are from Country Comm. I'll leave a link in the description. There's some pretty wild things in here. I didn't know what I was getting myself into when they were sending me a package, but this right here is my favorite thing. This is a titanium screwdriver. The back turns here, and it accepts 1/4-inch bits. It comes with these 1/4-inch bits here. They're pretty decent. They're all micro bits. You know, I think the biggest one's a Phillips #1. Comes with a little sleeve. But the action on this is it feels so well machined. It's titanium, super nice, super durable. But this brand, I don't even understand it, but they just make some of the most quality like EDC and random stuff, like survival stuff that I've seen. And it's pretty crazy. So we'll run through all of this stuff real quick. Shot glass, don't need that. I don't drink. We've got a pin here that's metal. It twists to open up. Nothing crazy there. Little box with a magnetic thing. These right here, these are glow in the dark, and they go on string, and it's so you can like see where things are, basically like in the dark. I'm actually super excited to put some of these on my backpack and different places. They also come, this Swiss Army knife here, I already changed out the casing on it, but it's got this very nice casing on it now that came from them. Obviously, I think that's, I mean, I would never carry a Swiss Army knife, but I would carry this thing. This tray here for little parts and pieces, got some flashlights, stuff like that. This stuff is all so high quality. I really, like, I've been very impressed. A lot of it is survival stuff or EDC stuff. Like this right here, this is not floss. This is actually string. It says not for, it used to say not for oral use. It no longer does. And I almost still used it as floss. That being said, pretty cool that they can keep all this little string in here. Great way to carry some around. I really like this for my backpack. I'm definitely gonna do that for just those times where you're in a tight box or something, just something gross that you're like, I don't wanna deal with that at all. I think that's a great way to have enough string to do whatever you need. These are some of the weirdest things I've ever seen right here. They're super well machined, and I love them. They're very strange. They're machined dice made out of, like, they're metal, and they are pretty heavy. I've got two larger ones here, two smaller ones here, but I mean, what a strange thing. And they're so much fun. I feel like a kid in a candy store going through this box every single time. And I've been through this one like 3 times. Little compass here on this end, and it's a waterproof container. So you just unscrew the lid on either side. It's got a little hook here so it can go on a keychain or something. That way you can keep it with you if you're canoeing or rafting or venturing out in the woods. You're solid, always have a compass. Glow in the dark tape. I'm never gonna lose anything in the dark again. It's not true, I'm gonna lose everything. I haven't figured this one out yet. Somebody help me figure this one out, because I'm lost. I can't wait to figure it out though. Cases, just like a little wallet type deal. Another flashlight with a glow in the dark tip. Everything's glow in the dark, gotta be, right? Gotta be. Notepad with a very, this is like a hard plastic. Same thing for this comb here, which is like super cool. And then it's got a hole through there. And then as well as this bag here also came with it. Super cool stuff. They've also got some watches and some knives. You guys go check out Country Comm if you haven't ever. If you see anything on there, just trust me, it's very, very wonderfully made. The one package I got this week that I didn't just open just now were these, this little package from Knipex, not just these, there's one more thing and a little surprise. So if you wanna check that out, go ahead, head over to this next video. See you guys on the next one.